More.
Alright, we're at the $10 Wheel of Fortune. $20 a spin. There's $50 back. Let's get that spin right there. Oh, almost. I hate how the machine fakes you out. Just money back. Come on, spin. Don't be shy. Yay, we got one. Here we go. Good luck, Jason. Big money, big money, big money. 300. All right, 2 more spins. Last spin. Well, we broke even. That's Wheel of Fortune. 1760 bonus on dancing drums. Let's do the mystery. 3. Oh no. Alright, we got the 15. I was thinking of doing that anyway. Can we close that lid, please? Or a retrigger. We gotta close that lid. That's $160. Last spin. Nice. 3 extra games. Close that lid, please. $437. Mystery got me that time. Alright, this is Wild Wild Pearl. I just had an amazing supporter stop me on the floor. She won $7,700 on a $10 bet. So now I'm inspired to try this. I want to see what those clams can do for me. Yeah. Clam me, please. Oh, $22.50. She's expensive. She's tries, 2 tries. Yes! That's the first step. We got the clams. Oh, look how pretty. Look at the money, money, money. All right, let's get those clams. And pearls. Oh, we need wild wilds. Oh my goodness, this is our chance. This is our chance. Wow, 178. I wasn't expecting that. All right, let's get some pearls. Some more games. This is it. Hey, we got a little something. Not so bad. Could have been way better, but it was something. Not as good as my new friends who hit 7,700. Ah! So much winning going on at the Cosmo this weekend. Oh my goodness. Clammy, clam. Last spin. Hey, we won $4. I'll take it. That's a wild, wild pearl. Alright, I'm at Lightning Link, high stakes. $25 bets. Suitcase. Yes! On the second spin. Alright, let's get a coin in the middle. Okay, we got 9s across, 185, 10s. All right, we need a chip right in the middle. Chip, 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 chip. Woo, 475. $645. Come on, chip, 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 chip. $725. Last spin. $980, I'll take that. Thank you. All right, more. Two. There's the 2. Come on. Chip me. Nice, we got 2 more spins. At least. More! Oh, I want that whole spin. Hey, you know what? That's a $500 profit. We have to be grateful. That's high stakes. I took a couple more spins on a $10 bet. Here we go. We have a $6,000 major available. If you want to drop it, I'd be very grateful. Don't be done yet. There we go, 50 bucks. Yes. Hey, we got some money. Thank you. I took it to 25-cent denom and I got a nice chip up there. We got more. Sometimes the nice chips have nice neighbors. Yeah. Come on, baby. How about a word? How about anything? Yes. 25-cent denom. Yes. More. Oh, one more, make it interesting. Save the day. Nice one. Yes. Okay, right over. Yay! Ba-bum, ba-bum, bum. Alright, I kept going. I got a $25 bonus. Shit me right in the middle. Not you, lady. Got some nines. Coin, please. Please. Oh, we're up to 435. Coin. One coin. $600. Thank you. Not bad. I got another one. We already have $400 on the board. Let's go. Oh, you can't be done. You can be done. Oh no. Oh, we gotta be thankful. I started with 500 in this game, and we're up to 2,200. I'm not going below 2. All right, let's keep going. I got 8 more spins at least. Come on. Shit me. Uh-oh. Last spin. What a run. We started with 500. We're taking 2,000 out. That's lightning link.